Since I got my bike on a trailer, I'm going to show you how to put a bike in transport mode. That's for 2013 and older Harley Davidsons. So make sure you got your key fob with you. Put your bike in ignition. Make sure your ignition is off over here. Then place it again at the accessory position. Press turn signals at the same time. Turn it off and you're good to go. Let's test it out. No key fob. Yep, it's good to go. Now you can go on the road and your battery is not gonna die. After you deliver the bike or you're done with transporting, to put it back on regular mode, just switch the ignition and you're good to go. Bike will start with no problem. Quick tip for you guys.